Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by making sure Flipaclip has storage and camera access. This lets you import files smoothly. Once done, open your project and tap the plus or import image button to access camera, gallery, or files. Choose the folder where your image is live. JPEG or PNG both work, but pick transparent PNGs when you need alpha. Now import the first image into a new layer so you can position and scale it before animating. This immediate action gets you into the workspace fast. Once your image is in the timeline, make a new layer for it so you can animate independently. That prevents accidental edits to other assets. Use the transform tool to move, scale, or rotate, pinch for fine control, and use the grid or onion skin to align frames. If you need to trim or crop, switch to selection and cut unwanted parts, or use the eraser to remove edges. Make sure to lock or hide layers you're not working on to avoid mistakes as you proceed. To finish, preview the animation and adjust timing or layer order. Once happy, use Share Export to save as MP4 or GIF, choosing the correct frame rate and resolution. If images look blurry, re-import at a larger size or disable export compression where available. If an import fails, first restart Flipaclip, then clear cache or use the Files app to select the image directly. This often fixes permission or path issues. Finally, save a backup copy before major changes to avoid losing work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.